does a specialist continuing healthcare company like Compass CHC offer that I can't do myself?
Well, I should start by saying that absolutely an individual can deal with continuing healthcare funding and the process as a whole by themselves. That's what is envisaged that should be the case when created by the Department of Health. The difference between the theory and the reality, however, is that it can be an extremely complex process, it can be very protracted, and individuals can often require the assistance of expert companies and individuals such as Compass CHC. By way of an example, we are firmly of the view that experts have their place in certain situations. What situation can you envisage where tens of thousands of pounds a year, in this case of course referring to care fees, would you not seek the advice of an independent expert to guide you through the process? That's exactly the scenario that you have with continuing healthcare, and that's why we feel that in light of the fact that there are high numbers of individuals having to appeal to receive funding because they've been incorrectly denied it in the first instance, that experts have their place at the outset. If you can secure the funding as swiftly as possible, in as quick a time frame as possible, there is a clear tangible benefit to you and the individual involved, because care fees throughout that time frame will not have been accruing. Any delays can ultimately lead to thousands of pounds of incurred care costs accruing that wouldn't and shouldn't have done. Now, Compass, specifically as a company, are unique in that we offer a combination of experts, both from a legal perspective in that we have qualified non-practicing lawyers who are able to consider matters from a legal perspective, as well as qualified clinicians such as nurses, tissue viability nurses, as well as pharmacists who are able to consider the medical evidence and extract the key clinical facts from the evidence that's available. The combination of that team ensures that we're looking for matters both from a medical perspective and from the perspective of the national framework for continuing healthcare funding. We believe that this combination allows us to clinically cross-refer the evidence to the criteria to ensure that where an individual is entitled to funding, that we're able to secure it for them in the swiftest possible time frame. Leading on from that, as a company, we're also able to provide expert advocates to assist with the assessments themselves alongside the family, to argue where necessary that why a particular level of need is met and why a particular individual meets the overall requirements of complexity, intensity and unpredictability in nature of a health need that warrants the implementation of the funding. In the worst case scenario, if it's necessary to appeal a negative outcome, we are able to assist in full with the appeals process, including the advocacy at the appeal, presenting the case to the independent panel, or in certain circumstances to NHS England. What I would say is that if you have any issues relating to continuing healthcare funding or any queries at all, we do offer a service where we're more than happy to offer a free consultation. This consultation is no obligation and is completely confidential, and one of our experts would be more than happy to go through matters with you in full, explaining how everything to do with continuing healthcare funding works and how it's applicable to your particular relative circumstances. As such, we are available by phone on 0121 227 8940. Equally, you may find our website a useful resource to be able to view the information and videos, and that is www.continuing-healthcare.co.uk. Thank you.